Qualcomm implicitly verified Samsung's future flagship phone a month after our revelation. The Galaxy S24 will include sophisticated generative AI functions on the device. When Samsung revealed their AI model called GOS, the subject received considerable attention. Now, Samsung is finally ready to talk about how these fresh new AI technologies will transform the user experience of Galaxy smartphones next year. Samsung has now released a mobile AI system called Samsung GOS. According to the corporation, Galaxy AI symbolizes an era that gives us a taste of what we may anticipate from this innovative technology. Samsung claims that this technology will improve your experience while maintaining your trust in Galaxy's privacy and security. While the company has not explicitly mentioned the device that will introduce Galaxy AI, they have indicated that this feature will be available on AI-powered smartphones in the future, possibly coinciding with the release of the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung GOS Language is a cutting-edge model for understanding language and responding to it. Its features include email composition, document editing and summarization, language translation, and even assistance with smarter device controls. This cutting-edge technology may be smoothly incorporated into both servers and endpoint devices such as phones, tablets, and PCs. Along with the GOS language model, Samsung has also created the GOS code. This specialized model concentrates on code languages and provides a coding assistance called CodeEye that is mainly intended for usage inside Samsung. Through an interactive interface, it enables efficient program development. Another notable innovation is the Samsung GOS image, which facilitates activities like code description and test case generation. It simplifies the process of image creation and editing by offering features such as image style transformation, converting low-resolution images to high-resolution images, and adding elements to existing images. It can even generate images based on brief text descriptions, similar to DALL-E's capabilities. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.